Shabbat Shalom from Temple Concord. This week our Torah portion has Kadoshim in it, which is the Holiness Code. And there's this wonderful line, Kadoshim tihiyu ki ani Adonai Elohechem kadosh. Be holy because I, Adonai, your God, am holy. God doesn't say how we're supposed to be holy, but what is clear is that it's a multifaceted understanding. That the command to be holy is both on each of us individually, but also collectively. So that means we have a responsibility for each other. And it means we have a responsibility to look out for each other and to make sure that we're all acting at our holiest level possible. In the wake of the verdict coming through in Minneapolis the other day, there is much from this Torah portion that can guide us. Yes, we have to account for each other, and we have to account for the acts of one person, and that person has to be held responsible. But we all have to be accountable as well as a society. That means that it's not just a racial problem that involved two people in Minneapolis. It means it's a racial problem for all of society, for all of us throughout this country. And each of us has to work hard to bring about a more equal and just society. All of us are needed to bring about that holiness, the Kadoshim, that the Torah preaches this Shabbat. So I hope in the midst of listening to the Torah portion and in reading the headlines coming out of Minneapolis, that you'll hear the call, as many of us have, to begin working on a more equal society, to begin working on becoming anti-racist, to learning about how all of these problems affect our lives. We, as a temple, have read through two books, How to Be an Anti-Racist last summer, and we're still finishing up Caste now. Both of those books have changed me personally, and I believe have changed all of those who read them. So if you haven't read them, go read them, because they will help inform how we can be better citizens in society, but even more, how we can be better Jews in understanding the Torah portion this Shabbat. Services Friday night are at 6 o'clock on Zoom. Saturday morning, Torah study at 10, services at 11. Saturday evening, Havdalah and Omer counting at 8. Sunday morning, religious school. Sunday afternoon, I'll be doing another forum about my decision to leave Syracuse to take a new pulpit in Pittsburgh. You should have received an email about that, and you'll see the information. Sunday evening, Omer counting, and throughout the week at 8 o'clock. Monday, we have our book group at 3 o'clock. And then there's another forum Monday evening. Tuesday, Talmud at 12:30. Wednesday, Adult B'nai Mitzvah. Lots of activity at the temple. For now, Kadoshim, holiness. We need to do this for ourselves. We need to do it for each other. We need to make ourselves as holy as we can, and we need to create a society that honors everybody, that understands the dignity of equality, and that creates a place of holiness for every single human being. Shabbat Shalom for now. Look forward to seeing you at the temple.